Hello my lovely Minjians! This is Minji from Minji Teaches Korean. It has been 3 years since I uploaded K-pop pronunciation guide video, right? I covered BTS and EXO members' names, and thankfully the videos were really popular, so you guys have consistently asked me to cover many other K-pop bands. And the most popular group that you guys have consistently requested is BlackPink, so here I am. Today we'll be learning how to pronounce their names in Korean properly. But before we getting into that, I would like to let you know how I will write down their names or mark their names in this video. Of course, I'm going to show their Korean names, and I will write down the pronunciation in English according to the rule of romanization. Right? I will follow the standard rule of it in order to help you guys, especially who are not knowing how to read Hangul yet. I know romanization or writing down Korean pronunciation in English is very different in many ways with their stage names, but I need to at least standardize to give you the most proper pronunciation. So don't be mad at me. I know it is different, but you know, it's just a pronunciation. So instead, I will also give you their official English names. Alright, then let's get started. First of all, we need to know how to pronounce BlackPink in Korean, right? It's BlackPink, BlackPink, BlackPink. But I've seen many people shorten their name like 불핑. So they're like 불핑 노래 or 불핑 무대. Anyway, BlackPink is BlackPink. 4 syllables. From now on, let's take a look at each of members' name. Who is the first? ChiSu. Her stage name is ChiSu in Korean. ChiSu. And her birth name is Ji-Soo. Ji-Soo. Her last name is Kim and her first name is ChiSu. And Kim is the most common last name in Korea. My last name is Kim, by the way. So her birth name is Kim Ji-Soo. And growing up, I think I've seen a lot of people around my age whose name is ChiSu. So yeah, I can tell this name is a bit common. And when I look at this name, it feels like it's a bit gender neutral and very cute name. So yeah, I love this name. And it is very easy to write down in English, right? So yeah. ChiSu and Kim Ji-soo. Alright, who is the next? Jennie. Her stage name is Jennie in Korean. Jennie. I think there's no difference between English and Korean pronunciation. Her stage name is Jennie. Everyone knows Jennie. And what is her birth name? Her birth name is Kim Jennie. Wow. Kim Jennie. So when I first heard her name, I thought she obviously had another Korean birth name because, you know, it's very exotic and fancy. So I thought YG just picked up one of cool English names randomly and named her like Jennie, but it turned out that it was actually her real birth name. So I was like, wow, that's so interesting. I personally think that if non-celebrity people had a name like Jennie in real life, they would be very outstanding in a good way because this name is very fancy and sophisticated. Anyway, Jennie and Kim Jennie. Alright, next, Rosé. We pronounce her name like Ro-je. Ro-je. So the Ro here, it's more like the L sound, not the R sound. We don't like Rosé, but Ro-je. 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 Right? Now, what is her birth name? Her birth name is Park Ro-je. No. Her birth name is Park Chae-young. Park Chae-young. I think Chae-young matches her image, and Rosé also goes well with her, you know, image, right? Chae-young. So Park is the 3rd common last name in Korea, and Chae-young is actually my own name. TMI, but I've also met a lot of people around my age whose name is Chae-young, so personally, this name sounds really familiar and friendly. I love this name. Park Chae-young. Alright, and who is the last member? Our Lisa. We pronounce her name Lisa in Korean. Lisa. Lisa. Sa. And because she was born in Thailand, her birth name is this. I don't know how to pronounce her name in Thai language properly, but let me pronounce her name in a Korean way. It's Larisa Manoban. Larisa Manoban. Larisa Manoban. So her stage name is Lisa and her birth name is Larisa Manoban. And I think her stage name, Lisa, it's really easy to pronounce in Korean as well. And it's really pretty and fancy. And I think it makes her more pretty and cool. Lisa and Larisa Manoban. Alright, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any other K-pop bands that you want me to cover, let me know in the comments. And this is a special shout out to who have joined my YouTube membership. Melissa Wall, VT, Darek Krasniki, Hoxa Dursim, Freshly Brewed Covers, Life of Joan, SMYR, Jeffon Dela Cruz, and Christian Skimid. Christian Skimid. I don't know how to pronounce, I'm sorry. But thank you so much for joining my YouTube membership. And if you guys have interested in, there's a link in the description box, so please check that out. If you join my membership, you'll be able to use many emojis and you'll be able to see a lot of behind the scene pictures and bloopers. Alright then, I'll see you guys in the next time.